In the last few sections, we've created a table and a graph. It's often useful to be able to display both types of objects together. A page layout is the best way to do this. To create a new page layout, choose the Windows New Layout menu item. This brings up the New Page Layout dialog, which displays the names of all tables and graphs. Select Graph 0 from the list of objects, then hold down Command on the Macintosh or Control on Windows and click on Table 0 to select it as well. Click Do It. IGOR creates a page layout with both Table 0 and Graph 0. Page layouts are initially displayed at 50% of their final size, but if you wish to display them at their full size or at another magnification level, you can select the pop-up menu in the lower left corner and change the magnification. If you click the Table 0 object in the layout window, it becomes selected, and resize handles are drawn around the edge of the object, and the cursor becomes a hand. If you click somewhere in the middle of the table and drag it, you can move it around within the layout. When you put the cursor over one of the black resize handles, the cursor changes into a double arrow, indicating that you can resize the object. You can then click and drag that side of the object to resize it. I'm going to resize the table so that it shows only the part of the table that contains data, and then arrange the table and graph so that they can both be seen. Along with tables and graphs, you can add annotations and drawing objects to page layouts. To do that, click on the tool palette on the left side. The tool palette is the second icon from the top. Notice that when you clicked on the tool palette icon, icons for the various drawing tools appeared. Click on the polygon drawing tool. Click a few times to the right of the graph and notice how IGOR starts to draw a polygon with vertices at each of the points you clicked. To exit the Draw Polygon mode and enter Edit Polygon mode, just double-click on the last point. When you're in Edit Polygon mode, you can touch up the polygon by moving the vertices around. Now click on the arrow tool in the palette. This exits Polygon Edit mode and enters Selection mode. Click on the polygon you just created to select it. You can change the properties of the polygon shape by clicking on the Draw Environment pop-up icon, which looks like a tree. Let's make the last point of the polygon be an arrow. Click on the Draw Environment icon and select the Line Arrow submenu, then the At End menu item. Notice that now the last point of the polygon has an arrow. Click on the Operate icon in the tool palette. That's the top icon, which looks like a rectangle. Notice how the drawing tools have now been replaced by the normal tools. We're finished with the page layout for now. You can select the Windows Send to Back menu item to move the page layout to the back of the visible windows.